Hello traders and welcome to the basic algorithmic trading course. My name is Petko Alexandrov and I have decided to launch a very basic course for algorithmic trading that will help you get started easily. I've created many courses for algorithmic trading over the years, but many students asked me for a basic course. I listened and this course is the result. I will show you step by step how to get started in algorithmic trading, how to choose your broker, how to install your platform, what are the expert advisors, and how to create one without any programming or coding. And at the end of the course, you will be able to manage a trading account with expert advisors because I will provide 3 ready-to-use expert advisors or robots as they are commonly referred to for trading. You will see why MetaTrader is the most popular platform for algorithmic trading, and you will learn the fundamentals of this platform to ensure you can trade comfortably with EAs. Getting this online course will save a huge amount of time because you won't need to waste your time searching the internet for free educational videos. Everything you need is in one place. There will be an entire section where I will explain what exactly the robots are. I will teach you what the entry and exit conditions are and exactly when an expert advisor opens and closes a trade. Additionally, I will show you exactly how I create strategies over the historical data from the broker, which is very important. And I will show you how to select the strategies, how to filter them, how to run an optimizer, and how to perform a robustness test, which proves if the strategies are robust enough to use. At the end of the course, I will show you how you can easily follow the precise results from the expert advisors that you will download from the course, and what money management is good to follow in order not to risk more than 2 to 5% of your account. My name is Petko Alexandrov and I will see you in the course.